Welcome to section 3. This is where we shift from understanding AI to actively creating with it. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of AI content creation. So, what exactly is AI content creation? It's simply leveraging generative AI tools to help you draft, generate, and refine various types of content. Think of the AI as your incredibly fast and versatile creative assistant. You provide the idea, the direction, and the details, and the AI helps you produce the first draft, saving you hours of staring at a blank page. Why is this a game changer for virtual assistants? First, it dramatically boosts your productivity, letting you generate content much faster. Second, it helps maintain high quality and consistent output, ensuring your client's brand voice is always on point. Third, you can scale your content efforts like never before, handling more clients or larger projects. And finally, it can spark new ideas, overcoming writer's block and pushing your creative boundaries. Remember, AI doesn't replace your creativity or critical thinking. Instead, it becomes a powerful drafting partner. AI drafts and you refine, edit, and add your unique human touch to ensure it perfectly aligns with your client's vision and goals. In this section, we'll explore practical applications for content like emails, social media posts, and blog outlines. Get ready to transform your content workflow.